Welcome back to exercise 5.3. Let's discuss few more questions of this exercise. It is given the first and the last term of an AP are 17. The first term and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? First I need to calculate number of terms present in the given AP, and then I will be calculating the sum of all those terms. So let's first find out n. I am given with an, so I will be using my formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is given to you as 350, a is 17 plus n is to be calculated and d is given to you as 9. So first of all take this 17 this side, so this will be 350 minus 17 equal to 9 minus 1 into 9. Subtract them, so I will be getting it as 333 n minus 1. This 9 is in multiplication, so I am bringing it down. Let's cancel it. 3 3s are 9, 3 1 1. So I am getting here my n minus 1 as 111 by 3. Let's cancel it again. 3 1s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are. So n will be equal to 37 plus 1, which is equal to 38. Now this is my first part. Sn is asked, that means you need to calculate sum of 38 terms, because here you are given n equal to 38. You have calculated it. Now you know the two formulae of sum. If first term and the last term is known to you, you can apply the formula which is Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. That means the first term and the last term. So I know here the last term, so I can apply the direct formula here, which is n by 2, a is given to me as 17 plus, and last term is given to me as 350. So I will be calculating it. This will be 19. So this is 19 into, add these two, so you will be getting it as 763. Multiply it and let's see what we get. So we are getting here as 6973. So your sum of 38 term is given to you as 6970. Let's see this question, children. Show that A1, A2, AN form an AP where AN is defined with this. Children, whenever you are given in the question, whenever you are given the term in nth form, then how you are going to frame the AP? Remember it, you have to just put the value of n as 1, 2, 3 and so on, and then you will be calculating the given AP. So this is my term which is given in n form. So I will be taking this anth term as 3 plus 4n, and now I will be putting a equal to 1. When a equal to 1, I will get my first term. So a1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, which gives me 7. When a equal to 2, I will be getting it as 3 plus 4 into 2. That means 3 plus 8 and 11. Okay, like this I can get my nth value as this. That means my given sequence or the given AP so formed is, the first term is 7, second term is 11 and so on. Here I can see my D as 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. Now what is to be calculated? So this is the AP which I have formed, 7, 11, and since your difference is 4, so you can frame next term also. You just add 4 to this, so your next term will come out to be 15. Now it is given also find the sum of the first 15 terms. So if I want to find out first 15 terms, sum of first 15 terms, then obviously I will be using my formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and I will be putting all these values. So if I want to find out sum of 15 terms, so I will be writing it as 15 by 2. 2a is known to you now, it is 7, plus number of terms. Here your number of terms are unknown to you, so I will be calculating number of terms by my formula, and d is given to me 4. Now see, I cannot calculate it further because this is unknown over here and this is unknown over here. So I cannot just calculate sum of 15 term. So side by side I will be applying my a plus n minus 1 into d formula. So here your anth term is given to you as 3 plus 4n. Your a is given to you as 7 plus n minus 1 and d is given to you as 4. That means these things you have calculated. So I can simply calculate 3 plus 4n equal to 7 plus, I am opening it, multiplying this with this and this with this. So this is 4n minus 4. Now you simplify it further. I'll be simplifying it here only. This is 4n and this is 4n. So here I'll be getting it as, I think we have mistaken somewhere. Yes. Here your n is given to you as 15. So I need not to calculate n again here because it's cancelling over here. N is given to us as 15. So I can just put n is equal to 15 over here. So now I have got 15 by 2, 7 2s are 14 minus this will be 14 into 4 which will be your 56. So I am getting it as 15 by 2 and here I'll be getting it as subtracted, so I'll get it as 32. 3, 42. I'll get it as 42. Now again I can cancel, 2 ones are 21. So I'll get it as minus 15 into 21 and which will give me 21 into 15. So it will give me minus 351. So this is your sum of 15 terms. Sorry, here it is plus, plus, plus. So it is plus because all the terms are positive here. All the terms of AP is positive. So sum will also come out to be positive. So by mistaken I have written minus, make it plus. So it is plus 351. Now see this question, children. Here it is given, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So you need to first frame the sequence, that is an AP which is divisible by 6. So let's frame the AP. So divisible by 6 is 6, 6 ones are 6. So I can just write 6 times table up till 40 positive integers. That means n is given to you as 40. Fine. Now I am not calculating the last term over here. Now your A is known to you which is 6 and your D is also known to you which is 6. I need to calculate the sum. That means I need to calculate sum of 40 integers. So here n by 2, I am just putting the values in the formula which you know. N by 2 twice of A which is 6 plus n minus 1, this is your n minus 1 into D which is 6. So I can calculate it, this will be 20 only, 2 ones are 2, 20 and this is 6 2s are 12 plus 39 into 6. So I'll be writing it as 20 into 12 plus multiply these. This is 234. Now simplify it further, 20 into add these two, so it will give me 246 and on multiplying I will be getting it as 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 89 and 2. So this is your sum of 40 positive integers which is divisible by 6. Now let's see the next question, children. Here it is given, a contract on construction job specify a penalty for a delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. A certain date is given for the completion of a work, but if a contractor delays it, then how he has to pay the penalty? It is given rupees 200 for the first day. That means your AP here will be 200 for the first day. Then it is 250 for the second, then it is 300 for the third day and so on. Penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more. So this is your AP. Now question is here, how much money means at the end of the day, how much money he has to give as a penalty. That means here sum is asked to you. and here it is given how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. That means number of days are 30. You need to calculate sum of 30 days. Okay, so here you know A is 200, your D is 50 and your N is 30. So I will be just writing in the formula as 30 will be equal to 30 by 2, N by 2, 2A is what? 200 plus N minus 1, 30 minus 1 will be 29 and your D is 50. So I will be just calculating it to, this will be 15, 400 plus, I will be solving it, 9 5s are 45, 4, so this is, I will be adding these, so 15 into, this will be 0, 5, 8, 1 and just multiply it and get the answer. So this is your answer that at the end of 30 days he has to pay 27,750 rupees. See this question children now. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. That means we have 700 rupees to distribute in 7 people or 7 prizes we have to give. Here it is given of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize. So let's suppose your first prize is of rupees X. Then your next prize will be 20 less than this. And your next prize will be again 20 less than X minus 20. That means which is X minus 40. So we'll say let first price be of rupees X. Okay, now we'll be forming an AP. So if your first is X, then your next will be X minus 20 and your next will be X minus 20 minus 20, which gives you X minus 40. Okay, so this is my sequence and I'll go till 7 terms. Now children, you know here what you have to calculate and what you are given with. You are given with sum of rupees 700. So that means sum of 7 terms. 7 prices are there. So sum of 7 terms is given to you as 700. Your A is X. So I am given with A equal to X. And your D is what? Successive term, which is X minus 20 minus preceding term. So X and X gone, which gives me just minus 20. I am given here with sum, so I will be applying my sum formula. So let's apply my sum formula, which is sum of Sn, 7 terms. So this is 7 by 2 twice of A is your X minus N minus 1. What is N? 7. 7 minus, this is plus 2A plus N minus 1. So which is 6. N minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 is 6. Into D. D is your minus 20. And children, this S7 is given to you as 700. So this is 700 equal to 7 by 2. This is 2x minus 120. Now I can cancel, 7 ones are 7 and this is 100. When this is multiplied with 2, this will become as, I am writing here, 200 equal to 2x minus 120. When I will take this 120 to this side, it will become 320 equal to 2x, which will give me x equal to 160. Now children, that means your first prize is of 160. You can calculate the value of each prize. If your first prize is 160, second prize will be 160 minus 20, which is 140. Then again minus 40, so this will be 100. And again 40, subtract 20 from it, so it will be 80. Subtract it, again 20, so this is 60. And the last prize will be of 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more. So subtract 20 again. So this will be my amount of prizes. First will get 160 rupees, second will get 140. That means I have taken difference of, sorry, I have done here, just a minute. this will be just subtract 20 out of these. So this will be 120, then again it will be 100, then it will be 80, then it will be 60, and then it will be 40. So these are the amounts the winners will receive. What is the common difference? Difference is minus 20, so I have done my 20, I have subtracted 20 from each term. Now see the next question, children. Here it is.